Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as promised, I'm going to share with you guys all the phone cases that I finally received. I'm going to do a comparison between two brands. One that I bought from Casetify, a phone case company originated from Hong Kong. Another one from Berga, a phone case company originated from Europe and also shipped from Europe all the products. And I also bought a wireless pad charging as well as the case for the AirPod Pro. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Esther. Do consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. I upload video about fashion, beauty and lifestyle at least once per week. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the wireless pad charging which I got from Berga. This is the packaging, how it looks like. So I got this also during the Black Friday sale. If it was not because of the sale, probably I wouldn't be getting this as well. It came with a cable, just a cable, plus this wireless charging pad. This is the wireless charging pad. Very tiny, very small, very polished, very cute. It also has the full black color, two colors available. This is the rose gold combination with black color. I will also show you guys how it works with my iPhone Pro Max 12 Pro. I will show you guys how it works. And it's simple, but unfortunately it is not fast charging. The speed is like just normal speed, but I still love it. You can just charge it by placing your devices on this pad. I really love this wireless charging pad. So refined, so polished, so cute. I forgot that I also got this tempered glass at only USD 10 for this tempered glass. High quality screen protector tempered glass. And also because purchase during that Black Friday sale, I got this from Berga as well. Otherwise, I believe it should be more expensive. So it's stated here, scratch resistant, full screen coverage, high transparency, violence test. So it's a very high quality tempered glass. And this is also another gadget, AirPod Pro casing. I got this also. This is the packaging, how it looks like. Love the packaging. It's again very solid packaging also. It's black in color from Berga. Also because during the Black Friday sale, I managed to secure this at the lower price. And I chose this Gentle Wind Marble Prints. So love this color. We'll show a close-up look. And I will also show you guys how the charging works on the wireless pad charging just now. Really love this casing. Look at the marble prints. It comes in a set. I will show you guys shortly the phone case of this Gentle Wind. It comes in like one set. Of course, you need to purchase this separately. So I got this purchase with purchase, and it also has this ring. This is the ring. Later on, I will show you guys how I style this with this AirPod Pro case from Berga. Love this mini gadget as well. Next, I'm going to show you is this casing from Casetify. Simple packaging but very solid and red color. Stated there, Casetify. Very simple, just like the iPhone case. And let me just show you guys. This is what I selected. It's the mirror case, reflective mirror case. 3 wipes for us to wipe the phone. And a simple thank you card. That's about it. And of course the phone case. Really love this phone case, this reflective mirror. And you can personalize this based on your preference. For me, I've chosen these alphabets in white color. You could change the color. You could also change the font to different fonts. You could also change the orientation of the words. Also this mirror color, you could also change it to bronze color. So I choose this is silver color, very neutral, very simple, casual look, but still looks very luxurious. Love this, and it comes with the bumper also surrounding it. So it's very safe. You could protect your phone. Very safe. I also got this Casetify phone case during Black Friday sale. I think I got it at 20% discount. Again, if there was no discount, probably I wouldn't be getting this phone case as well. There's no need to rush. Just wait for festive season. For sure they will be giving discount. So just wait for the next festive season coming up soon, perhaps Valentine's Day. So you don't need to pay original price for these phone cases. That's my advice. So all of this, I waited for the sales before I got the phone cases. So next up is Valentine's Day, guys. Next one is this Berga. I'm not sure if I pronounced correctly, Berga. I got actually 2. because at that point I think the discount was buy one free one. That was the main reason why I wanted to try these phone cases from Berga along with other gadgets, because purchase it was really very worth it. So that's why I bought a few items from Berga. This is the first phone case, and they've given us this pouch as well. Casetify has no pouch given, but Berga has given me this velvet, very soft velvet pouch. Very soft velvet pouch to protect your phone. Very thoughtful. And this is the Gentle Wind phone case for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have the same design as the just now the AirPod Pro case as well. This is the marble prints, and love the pastel color. Very light blue Gentle Wind along with the very light brown or beige color of marble prints on it. Love it. It's totally of a different feel compared to Casetify. Depends on your preference again. I love it to have like different kind of feel, so I could change according to my mood and also outfit. Love this casing and also my initials on it. You could also personalize this yourself. You could change the font, but I don't think you could change the layout or the position of your initials. This is the only way that you could position your initials. However, I think for these prints, if I were to choose again, I will choose these prints, but I will not go with my initials. I think it looks beautiful and more pretty without the initials. So that's just my preference. I think for this Berga case, I feel that they look more beautiful without the initials. What do you guys think? The marble prints and the wave is like so graceful, so the initial somehow cuts and it blocks the wave. That's how I feel. So I feel it's better without the initials, but still love the pastel color of it. Love how solid is this casing as well, and it comes in two pieces, different from Casetify. These two pieces, one is for the protection and one is for the case. So it has double protection. Another one, the same price, also buy one free one. This is what they call as almond latte, if I'm not mistaken, and I love it. This is without initials. This you couldn't add your initials. I feel that for Berga case, it looks better without the initials. You could enjoy the prints. For Casetify, the mirror case, I feel that it looks better with the initial for the mirror case that I've chosen. More unique. This is of the neutral color, very fun, very casual, and still very nice looking. Very easy to match with our outfit, very neutral color. Feminine in a way as well, and love the feel of it. Very solid again. It comes in two pieces, one for protection, rubber protection, and one is just the case. So 2 layers, double protection. So now I'm going to do a very quick comparison between Casetify phone case and also Berga. So first is to compare on the size. If you could see, I put side by side. I feel that the phone case from Casetify is thicker. This is the one from Casetify is thicker compared to the one from Berga. In terms of the length and the width, I feel the length, the one from Berga up on top is slightly longer, just a little bit longer. And the width also, the one from Berga is also a bit wider. I feel like both could still fit in my smallest bag that I have in my collection. So that is on the sizing. Next is on the maintenance side. Which one is easier to maintain? Which one is more carefree? Between Casetify and Berga case, Berga case is easier, more carefree compared to this mirror case from Casetify. I believe if I didn't choose the mirror case from Casetify, if it's of other design, maybe it's easier to maintain. I feel that this is easier to maintain compared to this, obviously, because you will easily get fingerprints on this mirror and you need to wipe and maintain this phone case from Casetify that I've chosen. But because of the look and the feel, I still feel that it's worth getting this mirror case from Casetify. I don't mind to put in additional effort just to maintain this mirror case because of the feel and appearance of this phone case. I really love it. And for this, it's very carefree. You could put inside your bag, not an issue at all. There's no need for you to maintain. So depends on your lifestyle and your preference, or maybe both. In terms of the durability, I feel that both brands, they are very durable, very solid, and it can protect my iPhone 12 Pro Max very well. I feel both are very solid. In terms of the price, I believe Casetify is more pricey or more expensive compared to Berga cases. It's more expensive for this Casetify, but also it looks more expensive than this. But I still love the feel of it because it's good to have a feel to change. Depends on our mood, on our preference, and also on our outfit. It's good to have a few like an accessory. That is just a very quick comparison showing you guys the difference between these two phone cases of different brands. Would you guys like to see different outfit, different phone case? How does it look like? Are you guys ready? Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do comments down below which phone case do you like the most and which one will you be getting for yourself. Would love to hear that from you guys. If you have yet to subscribe, don't forget to just click the subscribe button down below. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye guys!